सर बीच में बंद हो गया, कुछ सुन ही
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ,
पाया।
बीच में एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, see, it is number of pulses would be fc upon twice fr, and logic is very simple. This time period is how much? This time period is t by 2, and t is what? T is 1 upon fr, right? This time period is t by 2 and t is 1 upon r. So 1 upon fr. So 2 upon fr, 2 upon fr, this time period is equal to n times 1 upon fc. It will give you fc upon 2fr, right? When 0 is, the reference wave 0 is synchronized with this. Second, if when triangular carrier wave is coincide with, when triangular carrier wave, यहाँ you just do a small correction, when triangular carrier wave maxima, right? Maxima is coincide with sinusoidal maxima is coincide with 0 of sine reference wave, right? When triangular carrier wave maxima is coincide oblique synchronized with 0 of sine reference wave. Clear? Here, when triangular carrier wave maxima, wave not maxima, it is the minima, minimum is coincide with, when triangular carrier wave minimum is coincide with 0 of sine oblique reference wave 0. Then how much would be the number of pulses? Number of pulses would be n minus 1, which is equal to fc upon twice fr minus 1, right? fc upon twice fr minus 1, right? Now the effect of this is on the harmonic pattern of the output. Just give me a second so that I can take the screenshot. Meanwhile, you just part 2. Okay, this, just give me a second. Is coincide with 0 of sine wave. In that case, we will have this 5. For example, we have 5 triangular pulses in a half cycle. So we will have 5 pulses. But frequency is same, and if you coincide the minima of 0 with sine 0, then you will have only 4 pulses. You will have only 4 pulses. It will change the order of harmonic. I'll show you in later classes. Depending upon the number of pulses, your harmonic spectrum can change. That is, it is very important point whether you should keep your maxima with coinciding 0 or minima is coinciding 0. Right? In this case, when 0 is, yes. Any doubt, Prakash or anyone?
ये नीचे n is equal to fc upon 2fr, ये कैसे आया?
कैसे आ गया ये देखिए, दिस टाइम पीरियड इज हाउ मच, t/2. दिस टाइम पीरियड इज हाउ मच, इट इज t/2.
t/2.
ठीक,
Yes,
and
sir.
and you just
अच्छा समझ गया sir.
right, it is very simple. In t/2 there are how many pulses are there, triangular? Triangular pulses are n, capital N times its time period, and its time period is what? It is tc, which is equal to 1 by fc. N times tc, n times tc is equal to t.
t/2.
That will give you fc upon twice fr, as simple as that. Now when zero is synchronized with sine 0, in that case you will have n minus 1 pulses, where n is given by fc upon twice fr. Number of pulses are 1 less in case if your triangular is synchronized with 0 of the sine wave. It will change the harmonic pattern, right? Any doubt? If you have any doubt,
No sir.
right? I'll only 2-3 minutes are left. In fact, 2.27 minutes are left. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can